Welcome to the summer house in Portelet Bay, Jersey. As we take a walk up from the beach area, you can see the independent apartment rising up to greet you. This is perfect for a couple or a small family. It's completely self-contained. We'll take you on a guided tour of the inside. It's a fantastic holiday let. But first, walking past the door, let's take a moment to absorb the amazing coastal views. See the beach. Now let's go inside. It's an open plan living space, kitchenette, which is fully equipped with everything you may need. The summer house comes with spacious accommodation, well laid out with floor to ceiling windows, so you get a chance to enjoy that view anytime, day or night. It's equipped with an elegant shower room, which can be accessed from both the lounge and also as an ensuite from the main bedroom. The bedroom itself is a great size with storage. And again, as we turn, if you have the lounge doors open, you can see that amazing view. The dining area inside have those amazing Jersey summer days and spring days. There's al fresco dining outside, complete with a barbecue, an area laid to lawn. We can take a gentle stroll down toward the beach, which allows private access. And all of this is yours to enjoy when you choose to stay at the summer house. As we take a walk along the front of the summer house, which is completely self-contained, you get a chance again to see those wonderful views, Portelet Bay. And as we move down the steps, you also see in the distance the Portelet, which is our second property, which can also be rented for up to 5 guests, so along with the summer house, up to 8 guests. So they can be rented together or independently if you prefer, both allowing private beach access